everyone, this is Neha Malla from SANS Global Immigration. So we have offices in Ontario, Toronto, and we also have our office in New Delhi, India. So yes, in today's video, let's talk about the students, international students studying inside Canada who have doubts regarding the number of hours that they can currently work. So yes, watch this video till the end to clear your confusion regarding this. So first of all, if we talk about in the present scenario, how many hours you can work as an international student in Canada, and yes, we'll also come up to the confusion regarding 20 hours or 24 hours of the policy. So yes, the number of hours that you can work inside Canada depends upon whether you're working on campus or you are working off campus. So first to clarify, if you are talking about working on campus, then there should be no confusion because there is no cap on the hours you can work on the on-campus jobs. So if you are employed by your school, by your faculty members or any student organization within the campus premises, then yes, no problem, no limit on the hours, you can work unlimited hours on the on-campus jobs. Now we come to talking about the working off-campus jobs. So yes, during school terms, that is during you are a student inside Canada. Being a student means you should have a valid study permit. You should be, enrolled in a DLI, that is a designated learning institution. You should have a SIN number. So if these conditions are satisfied, then yes, we can count you as an international student who can work off-campus jobs. And apart from these three criteria, you can start working only when you start your schooling. So if your semester is starting from, say, suppose 1st of September and you land Canada in the month of August, that doesn't mean you can start working in August. So you cannot work till the time your semester starts. So yes, you're talking about the hours during school terms, international students. If you're working the off-campus job, you can work up to 20 hours per week. This is the general rule. But what happened at the time of pandemic was this cap was removed. So there was no cap of 20 hours. You can work as much as you want. But this policy which came into pandemic ended on April 30th of this year, that is 2024. So after April 30th, you were expected to again go back to the maximum number of hours, 20 hours per week policy. But in April of 2024, Immigration Minister Mark Miller, he confirmed an intent that that the government intends to increase the authorized working hours from 24 hours to 24 hours per week. So yes, they decided that they will be coming out with this policy to increase the working hours to 24 hours per week instead of 20 hours from the fall of 2024. Based on the announcement of April 2024 and a tweet from IRCC, as you can see here, we can expect to hear more from IRCC on this update in coming weeks. So most probably we are expecting an announcement in September 2024 only regarding the increase in the work hours from 20 hours to 24 hours. To remove your confusion about the work hours, here is a table for you which you can refer to always, and you can save this also. You can take a screenshot of this, forward to your friends for their future references also. On campus, if you are working, there is unlimited hours, no capping. If you are working off the campus, currently it's 20 hours per week. Off campus, we are expecting news about 24 hours per week. And yes, during the school breaks, at the time your college or institution gives you scheduled breaks, during that time also you can work unlimited number of hours. There is no capping on the hours, right? And remote for an employer outside Canada. So if you are an international student here, but you also remotely work for an employer who is outside Canada basically, again there is no such capping. You can work for unlimited number of hours for that particular employer based outside Canada. So yes, I hope this video has helped you clear your confusion. So in short, basically work for 20 hours per week for now, till the time an effective date has been announced by IRCC or the Immigration Minister that okay, so and so is the effective date from which you can start working 24 hours per now. So till that time, you can work for 20 hours. So I hope this video has cleared many of your confusions. So yes, don't make any mistake of working more hours. For now, 20 hours per week.